Welcome back. So in this video now, I'm gonna be telling you how to make your vehicle start if your vehicle refuses to start. How you can start it in less than 5 minutes. You'll be able to start it and keep going where you are going, because sometimes you might come and look at your vehicle, it is totally off. You try to on it, no way, and then you'll be stuck. So I will teach you now how you can do it. So the first thing you have to check is whether the vehicle is on, totally on. I know this thing will sound strange to you, but sometimes when you think you on it, then look at what is it called? Look at this wire now. Let me show you something you don't know. Look at, can you see now? Can you see? It's an automatic on, but look at this wire now. This wire that connects the, look at this wire now, is disconnected. That's the wire from the kick. Turn it on, make sure it's on. Okay, make sure you turn it on. Then if after turning that on and it still refuses to start, there are several other things you can do and make sure and it will start. Okay, I will be showing you the next thing you will do now. Don't need to panic. You don't need to start being afraid. Say, this Keke no gree start to blah blah. No, you don't need to be afraid. You just need to set on this thing, because if you don't set it on, it will not start. Okay, the second thing we are going to now is the carburetor. I will show you how to know if the fuel is not flowing from that tank to the carburetor. It will make it not to be able to do what? To pass fuel to the carburetor, so it will not start. So that's one of the reasons that it will not start. That is one of the reasons. Okay, the carburetor. And so many people don't know about this thing. You keep carrying your this thing to the mechanic, and the mechanic will say, okay, let me do it for you. Mechanic will just, when you shift, the mechanic will just touch that place and collect money from you. So you have to know these things and know that it can happen and know how you can start it. If you correct the error, you start it. I will show you an example now of what that carburetor. Now let me go and show you that carburetor. Let me show you what I'm telling you, because if I didn't show it to you, you might not know where the carburetor is. You may not know how to set it. So let me show you so that you can be able to set it. Okay, let's go. Let's go now. So now if you come to the back now, this is how the back is. So you might not be able to know the carburetor here. So now this is the carburetor now. Okay, this is the carburetor, and this is the tank. This is the tank. This is the tank. So the fuel here passes from here now to here. Do you see? So if it stops passing from here to here, that means the what fuel, it will not start. That means it will not start. That is what it means. So from here to here, look at the passage here. The main passage is this one. Look at it. This one now. Watch. Yeah, you see it. You see? So from here to here. So you check it. Look at how to check it now. You draw it out. Watch. You see? You see that fuel came out. You put it back. But if you draw it and fuel is not coming out, then it will not start, because there is no supply of fuel. Okay, there is no supply of fuel. That is the another thing that can make it not to start. This is the carburetor. This is the tank. This is the rope. Now the next thing that could make it not to start is the this plug now. This one here. Look at it. This one now. Can you see it? This one. You have to change it, or you lose it and clean it. Let me show you an example now. If you lose it and the back is dirty, you change it. Let me show you an example of the one I lose. Now, can you see? Do you see it? This one now, I lose it from it. Okay, it's dirty, so you have to clean it. You clean here now, or you change it completely. You change it completely and it will start. And if you do all these things now and it refuses to start, the next thing you have to do is go to the battery. Okay, go to the battery and make sure it's connected, because if it is not connected to the battery, there will be no light on the dashboard. Okay, go to the battery, be sure. Let's go and see the battery now. Let me go and show you the battery so that let's know if it is connected. Now look at it. These are the battery. Okay, here is positive, here is negative. Now see, it is not connected. One is connected, this one is not connected. So that is why there is no light on the dashboard. So you have to take it back, and you have to take it back and make sure you connect it. Okay, make sure it's connected very well, and when you connect it, you can see now it's connected. Then you check here the center of the battery. If that center is showing green, that means the battery is alive. Look at it very well. You will see something like green on the center here now. Here, check it very well. So if there is no green, that means the battery is gone. You have to replace a new battery. So that is another thing you have to do. And if you check the battery and do all these things I told you and it still refuses to start, here now comes the work. Go to any mechanic, or you can do it yourself. Tell them to change the timing chain for you. Go to a mechanic workshop, tell them to change the timing chain. If that timing chain jump, it will not start. So these are basically the things that can make it not to start. So if you are finding it difficult for your own to start, you can write it on the comment and tell me how it's doing it, so I can give you feedback. Okay, so I can give you the right feedback on what you can do. Thank you.